Hello, what's going on, guys? Here I'm just doing some more things. We're about to creating the list here inside the body tag. So how to create the list? We have to create the UL tag as I'm creating and then end up the tag, okay, and then put the spaces. Then what more? Just create the elements which you just want to show in the list, okay? So I can create the li as I'm just doing now. Put the data whatever you want inside the li tag. I'm just putting the text like this, or I think instead of the this I'm just typing Samsung. Okay, now just press Ctrl D because I just want to duplicate the li. Now this is a single list. I mean the first element of the list, and this is the second element of the list. The list is the UL, means the unordered list. Okay, so here I'm just using the commenting to unordered list. Interesting. If you just know about the MS Office or the MS Word especially, then you can understand the meaning of the unordered list or the ordered list. But you can see soon in the result. By the way, the iPhone and the Nokia, and if you know any about any other phone, so I'm just putting the Sony. Now by the way, save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now this is the list. I think this is looking really interesting. Why not I just put the heading here, the h3, okay, h3, and here I'm just typing the unordered list. Pretty perfect. Save and go back and refresh. Now the unordered list. Okay, so what more I need? I'm just going after the h3 again, and now I'm just gonna teach you about the ordered list. So the ordered list, perfect. Copy that and paste there. Okay, now this should be the ordered list, as you know. So ordered list, and go there and create the OL. For the ordered list you have to create the OL, and then we need to go inside the OL, and here what I'm just doing, I'm just creating the li. Okay, and what I'm just putting inside the li, now again the li, however this is the ul and this is the ol, but I'm using the li again. But here I just declared the O, and here I just declared the U. So now what I'm just putting here, the HP, the Dell, there I just showed the mobile brands, and here I'm just showing the computer brands. So the Dell brand and the IBM, and any other, the Acer, okay, Acer, and any other one which I should put there, Apple. How I can forget the Apple, by the way. Now all these things are there. Go back to the browser and refresh. Now the ordered list, in the ordered list you can see the 1 2 3 4 5, and then the something here, this is the unordered list. So all the values are the same, in the same number or the same position, you can say, just the points or the bullets, but there is a number. I don't think that it's typical to understand. Now it comes to the second interesting thing. If you remember that we can add the attributes to in the that in the tag. So now if you remember, if I just go to the browser, then it's looking like a simple, if I just zoom in, now this is just like a circle, or basically this is the disk. So if I just go to the notepad, and here I add a type attribute. Did you remember the method to put the attribute? Just put the value, the attribute name, and the equal sign, and the single or double quotes. I prefer the double quotes, and put the value whatever you want. I'm just putting here the it's SQUARE, square. Okay, instead of the disk, this is the disk style, I just put it this square. So refresh. Now it's turned into this square. So I think you've understood that how to create this one, or how to make this square. So right now I'm just copying the whole thing and pasting there, saving and going back and refreshing. Now zoom out, and there are two square elements. So how to change it into the disk? Just simply remove, and now it's the disk again. Refresh. Now it's the disk, but why not I just put the circle instead of the disk? Circle, and save. Now refresh. Now it's the circle. What is the difference between the disk and the circle? Basically it's empty from the inside, and this is called the circle style. So this is the UL style, the both types basically. Now I'm just going to the OL. First of all, I'm just copying the top one and pasting there at the bottom and refreshing. Go down in the browser as I'm just going, and now 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5, it's both are looking perfect. But I'm just going there and putting the type again. Okay, now which type I'm just putting here as a value, I'm just putting the A. Now remember that I just cannot put the A there to the UL, and I cannot put the square or circle to the ordered lists. Okay, now go back to the notepad, the browser, and refresh. Now this is the A, B, C, D, E, and this is the A 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, well, I'm just cutting this one and pasting there within space. Oh, now just copy this and paste that again here. As you can see, now instead of the A, what I'm just putting the capital A. Okay, this is the small a and this is the capital A, so both are different. And what is the difference? Refresh now. The simple 1 2 3 ABC, and now capital ABC. Something more there is, if I just copy and just simply paste this, and instead of the A, just put the I. Okay, now what the I can do, refresh, and now 1 2 3, this is a Roman style and looking pretty perfect. Now again, just simply copy this one and paste this there, and right now all these things are same. You can see that I'm just changing the types, A, capital I, and there the small I. Okay, now save and then refresh and go more down. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, but in a small letters and in the Roman style. So I do not think that this is a little bit typical to understand. I think this is really easy to get the meaning. And in the next class we'll learn about the details. Okay, the another tag, the simple HTML tag. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.